Hello, a very good morning, my dear board members. My name is Pushpraju Krishnan. I am the Training Development Officer from the Corporate Training Unit. Thank you for giving the opportunity to present our proposed staff wellness and the productivity enhancement training program designed especially for our frontline retail employees and the junior supervisors across all the branches. Today, I will walk you through the program's purpose, its structure, the logistic involved, and how it will significantly improve employee well-being, engagement, and the overall. To begin, this program was developed in response to several emerging challenges within our retail environments over the past years. Our frontline employees have faced increasing customer traffic, more demanding service expectations, and higher stress levels. This has contributed to fatigue, reduced the morale, and the inconsistent service quality. The purpose of this training program is simple yet strategic. Strengthen staff well-being, improve emotional reliance, enhance productivity, build a healthier and more engaged workplace. The scope of this program overall three main areas, which is the wellness education, ensuring the employee understand the mental and the physical well-being. The second is the skill-based productivity enhancement, time management, the customer handling, and the workflow optimizations. The third one is the motivation and the engagement activities, cultivating a positive and the supportive work culture. Ultimately, the intended outcomes are reduced burnout, lower absenteeism, increase the service consistency, and both overall store performance. This program is targeted at the frontline retail employees, cashiers, customer service assistants, shelf stockers, junior supervisors, team leaders who oversees the daily operations. The key challenges this program aims to address include the stress from long work hours, customer conflict and the communication breakdowns, lack of structured time management skills, limited teamwork and the motivations, and declining engagement due to the repetitive routines. Core components of the training activities. To ensure the clarity, I have organized the training into 4 core modules, each supported with interactive activities. Module number 1, Employee Wellness and Stress Management. This module is longest to the 2 hours training. The first one is the understanding workplace stress and emotional triggers, and second is the mindfulness exercise, breathing, grounding, and techniques. And the third one is the healthy and a lifestyle mini workshop, sleep and dehydration and nutrition. The fourth is guided relaxation or short meditation session. Module number 2, productivity and the time management skills. Prioritization using the daily retail task metrics, and the practical workflow and optimizations, and micro productivity methods, and the hands-off activity, organizing a typical store shift and efficiently. The module number 3, customer engagement and conflict handling. It makes a 2 hours duration for this training, and managing the difficulty customers, professionality, role and playing common customers conflict scenarios, empathy and driven communication techniques, and building the positive customer interactions and consistently. Now is the training implementation plan. To ensure the smooth execution, the training will follow a structured plan with 5 key milestones. Milestone 1, needs assessment, collecting the data, stress levels, productivity gaps, and the employee feedback. Ensure the training remains relevant and targeted. Milestone 2, customization and the resource preparation in week 2, developing the branch specific scenarios and preparing the manuals, digital slides and the activities. And the milestone 3 is training rollout for the week 3 to week 8, conducting the training sessions region by region, ensure all employees participate. And milestone 4, post-training evaluation for the week 9, gathering feedback through the surveys, short quizzes to assess the learning retentions, supervisor observations on the behavior change. Milestone 5, for the 3-month follow-up after quarter 1, visual check-ins, employee wellness tracking, performance indicators such as the customer satisfaction scores, absence advertisements rate, employee engagement scores, and productivity metrics. The program will be conducted through a hybrid facilitation approach. In-person session for hands-on activities, digital resources provided through our internal LMS or for follow-up, visual refresher workshops after 3 months for tracking the progress. This flexible method ensures the convenience, accessibility, and the continuity. Now is the training implementation plan. To ensure the smooth execution, the training will follow a structured plan with 5 key milestones. Milestone 1 needs the assessment, collecting the data, stress levels, productivity gaps, and the employee feedback. Ensure the training remains relevant and targeted. Milestone 2, customization and the resource preparation in week 2, developing the branch specific scenarios and preparing the manuals, digital slides, and the activities. And the milestone 3 is training rollout for the week 3 to week 8, conducting the training sessions region by region, ensure all employees participate. And milestone 4, post-training evaluation for the week 9, gathering feedback through the surveys, short quizzes to assess the learning retentions, supervisor observations on the behavior change. Milestone 5 for the 3-month follow-up after quarter 1, visual check-ins, employee wellness tracking, performance indicators such as the customer satisfaction scores, absence advertisements rate, employee engagement scores, and productivity metrics. Why this training matters? This program directly supports our organizational goals and high service quality and operational efficiency and the employee stability. For example, enhance the well-being employees who feel supported mentally and emotionally are more resilient and confident. Increase the engagement, wellness activities, and the skills-based training foster and the sense of belongings and the motivations. Higher productivity with the improved time management and the structured work techniques, employees perform tasks faster and more accurately. Reduce the absenteeism and turnover. Healthy motivated employees are more likely to stay, reducing the recruitment and training costs. Stronger customer experience improve the communication and the conflict handling skills, results in more satisfied customers and fewer escalations. In short, this program creates the healthier workforce, stronger teams, and a more competitive organization. Dear board members, in conclusion, the staff wellness and the productivity enhancement training program is more than just a training initiative. It is a strategic investment in our people. By supporting their well-being and strengthening their skills, we create a work environment where the employees thrive and the customers feel valued. That's all. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to your approval and feedback. Thank you.